Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, one and only original authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is Burgh Unboxing. This comes from Los Angeles, California. So let's do it. Brought to you by Fuzzy. Fuzzy just ran past. Where did Fuzzy go? You don't see her. She's under the chair, I think. Okay, new book for my paranormal collection. And there goes Fuzzy. And they gave me an invoice. They don't say how much it costs, which is interesting. All right, this is a new book by William J. Birnes, UFOs in the White House. What did our presidents know, and when did they know it? Now, where have I heard that kind of a phrase before? I think Watergate. So, George Washington involved with Freemasons, George Washington's UFO sighting during Valley Forge, Marilyn Monroe rumored to have intel she gained via pillow talk from JFK about UFOs, Nixon's presidency, we orbited and walked on the moon, while at the same time the government was exploiting the Air Force to scientific cover for its decision to terminate Project Blue Book. Jimmy Carter was visited by UFOs multiple times. And let's see here. Yeah, there are some pictures here. McMinnville, Oregon. Battle of L.A. Let's see. Jesse Marcel, Sr. Philip Corso. Orange County UFO. Let's see what else is in here. Here's Marion Blackmack Magruder, who said he saw an alien at Wright Field. Betty and Barney Hill. Triangular UFO. And the world's repository of seeds sits in Svalbard, Spitsbergen, Norway, but already been compromised due to the melting of the ice caps and climate change. Well, isn't that wonderful? I didn't know that. The seed bank is screwed up. All right. Anyway, this is all about the presidency and UFOs, so I'll be reading this tonight. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. It's going to be raining in a bit here in Martinez. And stay safe out there and watch the skies. Bye-bye for now.